Hey, how you doing? So listen, you want to see how I make the best steak sandwich? Well, let's go in the kitchen. Let's go do that right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. As always, hope this is fun, everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you next time I come up with a video. Hit that thumbs up. Appreciate everybody who does that. Hope I've done it already. So today I'm a little excited because I'm going to be making a steak sandwich, which I love. I'm going to be doing it my way. And as always, tell everybody when you're in the kitchen, you're a boss, which that means if you're going to make this steak sandwich, if you made it already, you're going to make it your way. Today, I'll show you the way I make it. If you like it, you make it my way. If you don't, you make it your way. But that's the whole idea of when you're cooking. You do whatever you want. So I'm going to take you over here right now. We're going to check out, see what I got going on. And we'll just take it from there. We'll move right along. All right? All right. So this is what we'll work with. We got some beef round steak sandwich, it's called. I'm going to show you that right here. We'll let it focus a little bit for you. Beef round steak. $7.99 a pound. I got 0.61 of a pound for $4.87. All right. So that's what we got. We got 3 of those little steaks in there. We got some onions. I got some chopped up garlic. I got a couple pieces of cheese because I'm going to actually make it maybe a cheesesteak. Some butter, gravy master, sea salt, and white pepper. In my pans over here, I got a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of this one, and a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of this one here. This is what I'm going to be cooking the onions and the garlic in. We're going to start that first. Going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the onions in first, let them get going a little bit, add a little bit of butter to that. Then towards the end, I'm going to add the garlic. Let me just turn you a little bit so maybe people wants to see that. And I'm going to get that going first before I start the steak, because these steaks are actually going to cook pretty fast. They're not that thick. They're kind of thin. I'll just show you real quick. See, they're not really thick at all. They're kind of thin. They flop around. So they're going to cook pretty quick. I'll just get a wash. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to stick the onions in. Let them get started. All right. I got my onions in there right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start letting them heat up a little bit. Then I'm going to add the garlic. Once they're just about ready to go, that's when I'm going to throw my steaks in. But let's let them heat up a little bit first. All right, so our onions are starting to get pretty warmed up over there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the garlic. You can see here. Just a little sliced up garlic, nothing crazy. Do a couple cloves. And I chopped them up real fine. Like you'll see. There they are. Like a little bit, nothing crazy. Put them in there. All right. Now while that's happening, I'll put a little salt and pepper on my steaks and get them ready to go in. Get the salt. And I'll turn on the oil, get it started heat up a little bit. Salt. Little white pepper. And once I throw them in there, I'll do the other side. Steam up a little bit. Let's get them in there. Wash up a little bit. All right, got the steaks in there now. Let's hit the other side with a little bit of pepper. And the salt. All right. Gonna cook these on medium. I don't want them to burn because they can't get thin, so I'm gonna cook fast. What I'm gonna also do now is I'm gonna put butter. I got a quarter stick of butter here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little less than a quarter of a stick and put it in with the onions and the garlic. It's about that much. Like that. Put it right in there. And when I turn over the steaks, I'm putting a little bit more of that in with the steaks. All right, let's let that cook up for a little while. All right, so I just flipped over the steaks to the other side. You see how nice brown they got on that side. I'm gonna take a little butter. Again, just about half of what's left. I'm gonna toss it in there. Let that melt down a little bit with that. And over here, I got the onions. And the garlic is still going. Starting to look pretty good over here. Remember, again, when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss. You can make it however you want. You want to put onions, garlic, you want to put some tomatoes in there, you want to put peppers in there. You can put whatever you want in there. You make it the way you like it. That's what cooking's all about. You go to a restaurant, you tell them what you want, they make it the way you want. When you're in the kitchen cooking, you make it the way you want. No problem. Also, the bread I'm going to put on today is going to be rye bread, which is what I have, which I like. You can also do it with Italian bread. You can do it with rye bread. You can do it with wheat bread. You can do it with a pita bread. Any kind of bread you want, you can use. Today we're going to be just using regular old rye bread with seeds. Give this a little swish around. Make sure that butter gets all over everything. What we can actually do too is actually just take a little spoon and just kind of marinate it a little bit. Give it that nice flavor. Let's see how we're looking. Oh yeah, starting to get good. Starting to look good. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of my gravy master to the onions, give that a little flavor. And just about, not even a teaspoon, just really touch it. A little less than a teaspoon, that's all you need. Just mix that around nice in there. That's gonna give it a nice flavor. Now what I'm actually going to do is I'm gonna take some of these onions and now put on one of these steaks. Now on top of that, I'm gonna throw some cheese. Let that melt right on there. That cheese is gonna melt nice, gonna keep everything in. We're gonna take it open, throw it right on our rye bread, and have our sandwich ready to go. Looking pretty good. I think we'll get ready to take it off. Move you over. And there we have it. Steak sandwich with onions, a little garlic, melted yellow American cheese. Fast and easy. Put that right on top. We'll give that a cut. You slice right through that yet. There it is. How good does that look? That is awesome. Could actually put 2 pieces of a steak on there if we wanted to. Maybe even bigger. There it is. There you have it, guys. Steak sandwich, quick and easy my way. Again, remember, when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss. You're going to get any way you want. Get anything you want to that. Use any kind of steak you want. This is like basics. What do you want to do? Here, take this, throw some onions on it, throw a steak, throw it on rye bread. Use garlic, bread if you want. Use Italian bread, any kind of bread you want. It's fast, easy, quick, man. You can make a lot of them if you want. So I hope you got something out of it. And again, I appreciate you stopping by. Again, if you remember, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. And definitely a thumbs up on the video. Appreciate that. Appreciate all your help and your I appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, eat whatever you want, eat how you want it, do whatever you want to do what you got to do. Just enjoy life. Take care of yourselves. Thanks again for stopping by.